So I think अब हमारे आसपास हम बहुत सारी ईवी देख पा रहे हैं. एक मेरे सामने से गुजर गई and we are in Delhi asking people about how much they do know about EV. दो चीजें हैं जो लोगों को इसके बारे में पसंद है और दो चीजें जो उन्हें ईवी के बारे में नहीं पसंद है. तो चलते हैं लोगों से बात करते हैं. लेट्स गो, कम ऑन.
It is quite, futuristic.
The benefit is of course low costing.
We don't have to fill out petrol, which is very expensive these days.
ऊपर से जो सबसे बड़ा इशू होता है पोल्यूशन का
जी
वो नहीं होता.
Very obviously environmentally friendly. Thinking about the environment and stuff, obviously that's high time that India should have EV cars. Every other developed country is having that.
आने वाले समय में मुझे लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट की कृपा भी होगी ज़्यादा इसको और टैक्स रिलीफ देंगे और इसके साथ साथ इसके दाम कम होंगे तो आम लोगों की पहुंच के भीतर हो जाएगा तो निश्चित तौर से हमारे देश के लिए हितकारी है.
The torque, it is quite fast. I myself own an electric scooter,
Oh, nice.
so I can relate.
I like cars making sound, but considering the fact the number of cars in Delhi especially and the modifications people get, the noise pollution is just increasing and increasing, so I like it's comparatively silent.
Another good thing we can say is that the servicing cost is not very high for the EVs.
It's cheaper.
Yeah, because I think what I know, you don't have to get any engine oil or anything changed. So
Yeah.
you don't have to get it serviced on a regular basis.
Yeah, I don't like about EV cars is not specifically. It's that we lack a lot of infrastructure that is required for the EV cars to be able to run smoothly.
We don't have much chargers and charging stations. Yeah, so that is an issue when you go like for a longer trip and to a hill station and all.
Maybe like it's the Gen Z, so we would actually like to give it a try.
So it has got some rizz.
It has got some risk, yeah.
डिस्चार्ज के बाद वो एक आपके लिए बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. अगर गाड़ी चलते में अगर डिस्चार्ज हो जाए तो लाइक वो आपको बहुत इशू क्रिएट करती है.
डेली जिसका 200, 250, 300 किलोमीटर का है रनिंग है तो फिर वो कहाँ से उसको कैसे मैनेज करेगा.
At the same time that कि गाड़ी आप जितनी मर्जी तेज चला लो, it'll just stay silent. I think it's a dual point for me personally speaking.
कभी ईवी कार स्विच करने को मिलेगा, करोगे अपने? अभी कभी मन सोचा है?
एज अ सेकेंडरी कार यूज कर सकते हैं. बस प्राइमरी कार
तुम्हारी मेन कार नहीं हो सकती, घर पे बस रह सकती है.
मतलब हाँ
लोकल एरिया घूमने के लिए. Tell me one thing, any myth you know about EV cars?
Information that stays there in the basic structure of the economy, like middle class is the one which can purchase that, but they don't have enough information. So that is one point that I feel.
It is hard to find charging stations in Delhi.
Some people do say that they're the future. That can be a myth because I'm not sure if EV cars can be a future.
यानी बैटरी पे कोई ट्रस्ट नहीं है.
बैटरी की लाइफ कम है 7 years के बाद सर्विस होती है, ऐसे कुछ सुना था.
But that only the battery has to be replaced and only the few cells which are damaged, those have to be changed, not the complete pack.
वाटर लॉगिंग में चार्जिंग स्टेशंस वगैरह आई डोंट थिंक काम करती हैं बिकॉज पावर ऑफ तो कर ही देते हैं तो मोस्टली चार्जिंग स्टेशंस काम नहीं करते तो वो वहाँ पे इशू हो जाता है मे बी.
My dad thinks कि electric cars should be bought by people only if they're driving it like quite a lot. For example, at least 40-50 kilometers every day. उनको लेनी चाहिए. And I don't understand where this stems. So maybe he's right, maybe he's wrong. I'm not sure. But I think it's a myth as far as I know.
There's the myth that they'll not be as efficient or as fast as a regular car.
ईवीज को लेके लोगों के अंदर अभी यही मिथ है कि वो डिस्चार्ज हो जाएगी, चल नहीं पाएगी, ये नहीं हो पाएगा, दूर तक नहीं जा पाएगी. बैटरी लाइफ एक सर्टन टाइम पे बैटरी लाइफ खत्म हो जाएगी या बैटरी डैमेज हो सकती है, बैटरी लाइक फट सकती है, XYZ.
पानी में जाएगी,
हाँ, पानी में जाएगी, वाटर लॉगिंग एंड ऑल दिस. यस.
So for clearing all these doubts and myths, MG Motor India is coming up with an exciting event, Drive EV Bharat, on 6th of August. Stay tuned for the more info and let's join our hands for an exciting event where innovations will meet the sustainable transportation. That's the gist. See you in the next one.